The week before Christmas went all through the school. Faces of students glittered bright like a jewel. The decorations were hung in the classrooms with care, in hope that Christmas would soon be there. The students told Christmas stories they had read while thinking about the next year ahead. When in the classroom there rose a clatter, we sprang from our seats to see what was the matter. We jumped and clapped for what we saw as we looked at our grade sixes in awe. More rapid than ours these last few days came. A Christmas class celebration is coming, we exclaimed. Students left feeling merry, cheeks the color of cherry. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team and SJIIES, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.